A new year, new Bombardier into the shop for service. Customer just rolled in here. So, customer came in for a that's just he's pretty impressed at the condition of it right now. Customers rolled in for power steering and for tune-up on his engine. We'll just do a quick look here. And it looks like an AA67. So there's the tag. And here's the engine. So yeah, there's lots of room in here, and hopefully Dad can do some work. But yeah, so these guys contacted us before the new year, and we had to tell them to hold off. They came in from a community just down the road a couple hours ago, and I was figuring they're going to be here about an hour or two, but guy loaded up first thing this morning and said, yeah, I'm on my way. So perfect. So Dad's just doing some bullshitting here right now. We're gonna have the customer come in for coffee, and then we'll go from there. Anyways, Dad's doing some bullshitting here. They're just checking out the red 55, and we're gonna have some coffee or tea with these guys, and then Dad will do the unload. Okay, so we're just going to do a unload here now, and then we're going to get them to back into the shop here so that they can drive in. So he's just moving it forward a bit here, and then they're going to unload and then drive into the shop. And yeah, so she's all fired up and unchained and whatnot. They're just gonna let it warm up a bit here, and then they're gonna unload it. So they got it offloaded. Dad wants them to drive in straight, so he's gonna have to do some turning around here. Hi, baby. Filipino Emily is supervising. Aiden's just guiding him in here. I really hope there's enough space in the shop. Otherwise we'll be winching the other machines into place. Looks like we've just got enough space here. So here's the customer here, and then the senior apprentice right here came by for a rum and a apprenticing.
Is this bolted on or welded on?
Anyways, I got it into the shop, and
Looks like it's bolted.
customer indicated that he bought this last year down south, got a really good deal on it. So
I don't like to see anything like that welded on. I like when that's bolted.
anyways, they're going to do a quick initial walk around here. Dad's going to do a compression test on it as well. As we moved it into the shop, couldn't turn it off.
Huh?
So we're going to, like I said, Dad's going to do the power steering, but he's got to do a tune-up, and then he's going to take a gander at everything else here, find out what's going on. So, what a nice surprise here. Look at that wiring. It's all nice and clean. And I think this is probably one of the better Bombardiers that's ever rolled in. There's a little bit of work there, but in terms of how everything looks on the inside, it looks damn good. And you got the shifter on the floor here. So this would be a nice machine for Dad to work on. Anyways, here's the engine. Lots of room back here.
You gotta go hang out at Bruce
And one of the things that happened though is rolled it in and it wouldn't shut off. So Aiden had to quickly disconnect a bunch of stuff. And then the apprentice Hopper, he's supervising there. And yeah, the first initial walk around is we're happy. And again, there's the engine. I think he said it was a 318.
Yep.
And tracks and tires are in really good shape. This guy got a deal, a real deal on this machine. Again, it's an AA67, came in from down south, southern Manitoba, and looks in really, really good condition. We've already talked to the customer there and warned him that we're just going to do the power steering and the tune-up, and then if he wants more work, he can come back in the spring, and he's agreed, because we got to get this Bombardier out for the customer as well. But this one here, we're waiting on parts, and so it's going to be tight working conditions here. And but yeah, another exciting day at the shop, and the cat's just checking everything out. So we got Peter and Schooner Shop Dog came by for a visit. Hopper's already left, so everybody's into seeing the new machine here. So Aiden's just in the front seat. Dad's in the back. They're doing a quick compression test on the engine so that the customer knows what the state of everything is in, and then they'll let him know, and then he can take off. Cat's guarding the 318. Hey, kitty. And Nina Pinta Santa Maria. So, just continuing on with the compression test. So here are the compression numbers. You got first cylinder 110, second 120, third 100, fourth 110. That's what it's supposed to be.
Yep.
And fourth 110, fifth 110, sixth 110, seven 110, eight 115. So Dad's already talked to the customer there. He's going to just bring it back in the spring. Dad can do some more work, but
This is good. They're all pretty well even.
Yeah. So
that's the main thing.
Yeah. So what Dad's going to do is just he's going to continue on with the tune-up. One of the things he found here right away was electric fuel pump.
If you look
Is
in there, you see it's just making a circle. You have to lean in there.
yeah, okay.
See the hose going in and the hose going out?
Yeah. So, anyways, that electric fuel pump's not going anywhere. Dad'll deal with that, and Dad'll check everything else out here.
Oh, he's got a new aluminum rod.
Yeah, I think he's got a really good machine here.
Yeah.
If you notice this here too, Dad.
Yeah, I'll put
Yeah.
a new one in.
And then, so Aiden is just taking off the front box here, because we're going to need that space to move around. And Dad's got to open up the front. He's got to take off that light bar likely and mount it up on top, but we'll figure it out. Customer's happy. He's already left, just left here a couple of minutes ago, and we're going to keep him informed of what's going on. So, new project in the shop, guys. And while we're waiting on parts on the red, we're going to work on this one, hopefully get this customer in and out real quick. Okay, continuation end of days on the Saturday, January 3rd video here. And when I left, Aiden was taking this box off, and as you can see, it's been taken off, and it's lying here now to get dehydrated. And I know these guys were working on the engine, and Dad's already got the battery out, and a bunch of other stuff is still thawing out here. So the goal here with this machine, like I stated before, is they're going to do a quick tune-up on the engine, and I know Dad still needs to change out a fuel filter there as well, and I think these guys need a fan or something for the back of the engine as well. But otherwise, this is one of the better maintained Bombardiers we've ever seen roll into the shop, and the guy is commercial fishing with it. So Dad's going to open up front here, so he's got to take off this light bar, and he's going to cut into that, and then he's going to open up an access plate, and from that access plate he'll be able to get in there to do the power steering, and probably mount up that light bar up top. I think that's what the customer said he wanted. But the goal here is as quickly as possible to get this in and out of the shop. By that time, when we're done this job, the bearings, races and seals for this machine should be able to have come in by then, and then Dad and Aiden will strip off the tracks and do all the axle work and replace the sprockets on that, and all the bearings, races and seals. So very little room to operate around here, but this is just a quick tune-up job and power steering on this machine so the customer can get it back, and then they're going to bring it back in the spring for more work. So that is it, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.